It is my greatest honor to serve as the 41st President of the American Society for Laser Medicine and Surgery, the world's largest professional organizations dedicated to promote research, education, and high standard of clinical care in the field of medical laser and energy-based applications. First of all, I would like to pay tribute to all my predecessors, many of whom are founding fathers of our field, including but not limited to Dr. Leon Goldman, Dr. John Parrish, Dr. Stuart Nelson, Dr. Rox Anderson, and Dr. Tom Royce. They laid the very foundations that allow society to build its strength and reputations to its current height. I'm fortunate to be able to consider myself to be part of the ASLM family. I joined ASLM as an international member over 20 years ago, and since then, I have attended every single annual conference. I have wonderful memories, not only learning new technology from key opinion leaders, but more importantly, intellectual exchange and professional networking with colleagues for all parts of the world. With 80% members from the United States and 20% international, ASLM is a truly international organization, and indeed my elections as your president is a strong reflection of our global natures. The COVID pandemic has many impacts to our annual conference, and both the 2020 and 2021 meetings end up to be virtual. Online learning is now a very important and integrated part of any continuing medical education program. ASLM has also set up its own online learning centers, providing access to CME courses, including fundamentals in laser and energy-based device in healthcare, as well as non-CME courses, such as understanding the basic principle of photobiomodulation therapy for effective clinical applications. ASLM Journal Club is a new feature of our online learning program, as has proved to be most popular, especially among US-based residents. Laser in Surgery Medicine, our official journal under the editorship of Dr. Brian Wong, has been immensely successful in the last several years. It has the highest impact factor among all medical journals in the area of medical lasers and energy-based device applications. Publications in ASLM are of great diversity and include basic science as well as clinical work from multi-specialties. In the last weekend of January this year, ASLM, together with UC Irvine, organized the ASLM 24 Hours on Laser and Energy-Based Device in Cutaneous Applications. The event was a great success, with over 100 world-leading experts participated and thousands logged in. I have received many positive feedback and do intend to work with Dr. Brian Wong to keep this event in our society calendar early next year. COVID pandemic has resulted in many social issues globally. Many industries, including healthcare service, have been adversely affected, with pandemic poverty being a worldwide phenomenon. On the other hand, credit easing by central bank has led to asset inflations. The end consequences is polarization of society, with racial tensions and social unrest being the byproducts. It therefore became apparent that a committee to ensure strengthening of diversity of our society is needed. Under the leadership of the immediate past president, Dr. Tom Royce, a new Inclusion, Diversity, Equality, and Accessibility Committee was formed. Furthermore, to ensure multi-specialties nature of our society, a presidential multi-specialty advisory council was also established. I do intend to continue such excellent work started by Dr. Roy, and in doing so, improve the standing and reputation of ASLM. In the next coming year, there are many challenges that we will have to face. Membership is an important area that we must work on. Proactive approach to potential young members is extremely necessary to sustain the future of ASLM. In my campaign platform, I did pledge to increase international members and collaborate with international society. This will be an area that I will focus in. This will include expansion of our popular program, such as ASLM Journal Club to an international level, and co-hosting of online non-CME meeting with other societies. In terms of 2022 annual meeting, I'm fortunate to have Dr. Fernanda Sakamoto and Dr. Stuart Nelson to be our co-chair. I do hope and feel confident that we will have our first in-person meetings since 2019. San Diego is a popular venue and easy to reach by most international visitors. I have no doubt it will be a well-attended event, and I look forward to see you all there soon. One of the most important assets of ASLM is our people. Our central office staff, headed by Executive Director Michelle Morrison, has done an amazing job during the last pandemic year. I do look forward to the opportunity to work with them in this coming year. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my family for their support during my career. My only regret is that my late father is not here to witness this very important moment of my life. Thank you again for electing me to be your president. It's been a great honor. Be safe, healthy, and take care.